Hello and welcome to this Unit 2 first video spreadsheets for a purpose. This is the introduction to the content of the unit. I hope you like this video. Every time you need to check out what is going to happen in this classroom, please, this is the place to go. Visit the site, visit my YouTube channel, visit the videos all the time that you need. Okay, so this unit 2 is going to be interesting. We're going to be talking about spreadsheets. For that, we're going to be working with Microsoft Excel, and if we have a little time, we're going to see also numbers. Remember that Excel is our program for Microsoft, and numbers is the program for Apple. So what are you going to learn? Basically, we're going to understand how to create a final spreadsheet that is appropriate for the purpose that you want, and obviously that you can present it in an appropriate way for the audience. So basically, we're going to learn how to create a spreadsheet that meets a goal. That means that you think about something that you want to do or achieve with your spreadsheet, and then you're going to present that spreadsheet in an appropriate way for the audience who's going to read it. We're going to start our first folder of work with the vocabulary practice, with parts of a spreadsheet, bake sale, zoo animals, fastest animals, and your top list. This is all in your review spreadsheets folder. Then we're going to go to the folder 2. We're going to practice vocabulary, typing practice, lunch for 2, clothes for charity, school supplies, and party for 5, and finally the evaluation number 2. And this folder is the design a spreadsheet. Later on, we're going to go to folder number 3, which is test a spreadsheet. You're going to learn how to check for a spreadsheet if it is working, or if you need to change something. That's the beginning. So we're going to do vocabulary practice, typing practice, pet adoption, sports equipment, party budget, modify your budget, and then we're going to do the evaluation number 3. Then we're going to go to the folder number 4, which is modify a spreadsheet. Again, we're going to go to the vocabulary and the typing practice, very, very important. And then we're going to go with the activities. Camping trip, we're going to have 3 folders of practice. One is blue, one is green, one is orange. You have to ask me about what is your color, and that's the activity that you're going to do, and we're going to end up our activities with the evaluation number 4. And then we have our final folder, which is evaluate the spreadsheet. There you're going to put in practice everything that you learned in the previous. Obviously, we're going to have the final practice of vocabulary, the final typing practice to see that you're sitting straight, that your position of the hands are adequate, and obviously that you can speed up your typing, and you can do less mistakes when you're typing. Obviously, our activities is going to focus on find the mistakes and fix the mistakes in the spreadsheet. Then you're going to have blue, green, and orange activity, and finally the evaluation 5. After this, we're going to have our final evaluation. And remember that we're going to find all of the activities in the link below, which is this is going to take us to this folder over here, where you can see the general guidelines. In the general guidelines, you can find your hoja de ruta, and also you can find this presentation right here where you can check out everything again. This hoja de ruta is very important. You can see here the understanding goals, the through lines. These are the questions that we're going to answer during the classes. These are the learning objectives, and here are all of the evaluations and the percentages of the evaluation. Okay, so don't forget about checking this out just in case you need that. And again, You can find it here, and also you can visit the playlist in YouTube to the class activities to study and answer your questions and doubts. You can click over here, or you can actually go to Aula Virtual in Control Academic to check more about this. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. In the next episode, we're going to see how to use the playlist, which is essential to our classes. Thank you very much. See you the next time.